previous video, I've shown you who I think will be replaced by the AI, and now it's time to talk about who I think will be saved in the upcoming AI revolution. You know, there are still several jobs and roles that are impossible for now to be fully replaced by AI. These jobs typically involve complex human interaction, creativity, empathy, and strategic decision making. Before we begin, remember to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel, and go to watch the previous video if you haven't yet. Now, if you find yourself in one of the following 9 categories, you are safe for now. Number 1. Healthcare professionals. Jobs in healthcare, such as doctors, nurses, and therapists, require a high degree of human interaction, empathy, and complex decision making. While AI can assist in diagnostic and data analysis, the human touch is crucial in patient care. Think about caregivers and elderly care professionals, for example. They have to deal with disabilities. They have to give physical assistance, emotional support, and companionship that AI cannot provide adequately. And furthermore, we haven't yet made a robot capable of the same freedom of movement of a human operator, which is necessary in this kind of jobs. Number 2. Creative professionals. Writers may be helped by AI, but not fully replaced. The same thing is true for graphic artists and musicians. Graphic artists can use an AI to generate anything they imagine, but for now it's impossible to generate exactly what's inside the artist's mind without a lot of editing and manual work. And musicians rely on the human ability to imagine sounds and create ideas that resonate with others. For them, the AI is helpful as a mixing and mastering tool and nothing more. The day an AI will fully replace a singer and every possible instrument is not something we will see soon. Number 3. Therapists and counselors. Therapists and counselors are basically specialists of emotional support. They are experts in human psychology. Their main role is to create an emotional connection with another person, and that is difficult for an AI to replicate. Obviously, AI-driven chatbot can provide some sort of assistance, but it's impossible for them to replace the human connection in therapy. Number 4. Social workers. Social workers deal with the complexities of real-world situations and that require empathy, cultural sensitivity, and ethical decision-making. AI cannot yet replace the human judgment and compassion needed in this field, and probably never will. Number 5. Teachers and educators. Think about that. The teachers you remember from your school days are not those who gave you more informations, but those who created a sincere connection with you. Sadly, in the majority of cases, people deal with teachers who are there only for a stable source of income, and good teachers are becoming a true rarity, but that makes them the best. They understand that teaching involves adapting to the unique needs of every individual student. Obviously, AI can assist with some aspect, of education, but the role of a teacher who put his heart and soul in his job and the connection with his students is irreplaceable. Number 6. Law enforcement and first responders. Police officers, firefighters, and other first responders often face unpredictable and dangerous situations that require quick judgment, empathy, and physical skills that AI cannot replicate for now. But I bet that sooner than we can expect, we will see drones helping them in their jobs. Number 7. Human resources and conflict resolution. Human resources professionals deal with sensitive issues involving employees. Most of them are called to solve conflicts between employees and choose who to promote to a higher position, or let's say promote to customer. Obviously, the AI can help to track progress and results, but to take this kind of decisions, we all need human judgment. Number 8. Skills, trades, and craftsmen. Jobs that involve skilled craftsmanships, like plumbers, electricians, and carpenters, required physical dexterity and problem-solving abilities that are far from the reach of what AI can do for now, because the adaptability required in a lot of these situations is far from what a machine is capable of. Number 9. Research and innovation. While AI can assist with data analysis and automation in research, the process of formulating new hypotheses, conducting experiments, and pushing the boundaries of knowledge will always rely on human creativity and intuition. Now think about that. The job market will always evolve. New roles may emerge as AI technology continues to advance, but always remember that we have made the AI and we will be capable to use it to our own advantage. Until next time.